On March 11th, Google gave us an animated doodle. It captured the glory of the flat white. But what makes this day so significant for coffee enthusiasts around the globe? It marks the day the term flat white was officially added to the Oxford English Dictionary back in 2011. Now, if you're wondering what makes the flat white different from a cappuccino or latte, let me give you a cup of knowledge. The flat white comes from Australia and New Zealand. They have rich coffee cultures. It was in the 1980s. It has made a name with a perfect mix of creamy milk and strong espresso. Here's how Hugh Jackman once described it. The flat white is like a latte with a little less milk and more espresso. Imagine the harmony of 1/3 double shot espresso and 2/3 steamed milk. It yields a coffee that's not just a drink, but an experience. The flat white's origins are as blended as its espresso. Both Australia and New Zealand stake claims to its creation, dating back to the 1980s. But here's a twist. Ian Burston is a historian of coffee. He suggests that England might have first brewed the drink. He thinks this happened in the 1950s. In Australia, the flat white comes in a ceramic mug. It echoes the volume of a latte glass. But what sets the milk apart is how it heats it. This gives the flat white its silky finish. Across the Tasman Sea, Kiwis prefer serving theirs in a tulip-shaped cup. They stress the coffee's unique texture and strength. An establishment named Muir's Espresso Bar in Sydney added the flat white to their menu in 1985. They claimed to bring the concept over from Queensland. Meanwhile, in Wellington, New Zealand, tales tell of a failed cappuccino at Bar Bodega. It serendipitously birthed the flat white in 1989. So, what sets a flat white apart from a latte or cappuccino? It's all in the microfoam and the serving size. The flat white offers coffee lovers a stronger flavor. It also has a smoother texture. Those who appreciate the finer nuances of coffee love it. Now, let's break down what makes a flat white different from its espresso-based cousins. These cousins are the latte and cappuccino. It's all in the composition. It's a double shot of espresso with just the right amount of milk. Known for its flatter foam, unlike the thick froth on lattes, flat whites celebrate microfoam. It creates a silky texture that's simply indulgent. A 165 ml tulip cup serves the flat white. It promises a more intimate coffee experience. It is smaller than both the latte and cappuccino. So, here's to Google for shining a spotlight on this iconic beverage. Feeling inspired to craft your own flat white at home? We've got just the recipe for you. Go to our channel for a step-by-step guide. Join us in raising our tulip cups to this great creation. So, what sets a flat white apart from a latte or cappuccino? It's all in the microfoam and the serving size. The flat white has a stronger flavor and a smoother texture. It's beloved by coffee aficionados who appreciate the finer nuances of their coffee. There you have it, folks. The flat white, a coffee drink that's as mysterious in origin as it is delightful in taste. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your take on the flat white debate? And more importantly, how do you like yours served?